Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about corrosion kinetics. Which of the following is an example of uniform corrosion? A. Pitting corrosion. B. Crevice corrosion. C. Intergranular corrosion. D. Galvanic corrosion. A. Rusting of iron. The correct answer is E. Rusting of iron. What is corrosion? A. A chemical reaction that only occurs in metals. B. A physical process that strengthens materials. C. The gradual destruction of materials by chemical and/or electrochemical reaction with their environment. D. A process that only affects non-metallic materials. E. The buildup of protective layers on material surfaces. The correct answer is C. The gradual destruction of materials by chemical and/or electrochemical reaction. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. What is the primary driving force for electrochemical corrosion? A. Mechanical stress. Difference in electrical potential. C. Temperature gradient. D. Pressure difference. E. Concentration gradient. The correct answer is B. Difference in electrical potential. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.